Hey everyone, we hope you're doing well. My name is Lee, this is Karabo, and this is Nanjima, and we are Culture Queens dancers. Today we're bringing you an instructional dance video brought to you by Brimbank City Council. The council is running a program called The House, which is a music and dance program. And they've asked us to share with you a few dance routines that you can practice at home with those you live with. As you can see, we are practicing our social distancing, and we hope you enjoy. This video is also in partnership with Jungle City Studios, and we hope you enjoy and have fun.
Hey guys, my name is Nanjima. I'm going to be warming you guys up with some stretches before your dance hall class, so just tag along.
Awesome, hopefully you enjoyed that warm-up and your whole body is warm and everything. Today we're going to learn 5 dance hall steps that we're going to put together in a choreography. Alright, we're going to start off with a step called shooter. And with this step you're going to have your knees bent, and then you're going to have your fingers like this. Alright, so your hands are going to cross over and you're going to lean to the left first. So you're going to lean to the left and you're going to go across, yeah? And then you lean to the right, bring your hands in and out again, yeah? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to shoot up or point up, yeah? And then we do the same thing to the right. 1, 2, 3, point up. Let's do that 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. To go. 1, 2, 3, point up. 1, 2, 3, point up. Again. 1, 2, 3, point up. 1, 2, 3, point up. Awesome. And then from there, we're going to do a step called bogle. You're going to have your knees bent again, and you're going to face diagonal. Both hands are going to be above you, and you're going to relax. Yeah? And you're almost going to be swaying forward and back, forward, back, forward, back. And your feet are going to twist as well. Twist, twist, twist. And then don't forget your hips, to put your hips in there as well. Good. And then your arms are going to act like they're throwing across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So we're going to do that one 4 times as well. So let's add it with shooter. 5, 6, 7, 8. To go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Bogle, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. How's everyone feeling? Good so far? Alright, cool. So after we finish doing the bogle, we're going to do scratchy swing. So with scratchy swing, let's start with our feet. So you're going to go out, out, and then step, step, step. Out, out, in, step, step. Good. Out, out, step, step. Out, out, step, step. And make sure with this step, you're bringing your feet in. So out, in, and then 2 steps, out, in, 1, and 2. Good. 2, double, 1, 2, double. And as you're doing that, your arms are gonna swing across. So 1, 2, and you're going in circles over, top, over, top, over, top, over, top. Awesome. Alright, so just to clarify, I did make a bit of a mistake. So instead of doing shooter 4 times, we're only doing it twice. So we're going to start. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we do bogle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then scratchy swing 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we do it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah? Alright, let's try that with music.
I see them fall and stumble. Heard them ball and blunder. So easily they come down. Babylon days are numbered. I see them fall and stumble. Heard them ball and blunder. So easily they come down.
Welcome to the street of the tough life. As a warrior, me grew up with a rough life. When we touch the corner, we no run karma. Real gangster, no love spotlight. When we step to the food, no thought about it. At fire start better, them can't come out it. Anything in everywhere, they better move. Cause if you make a move to me food, you get the whole thing. I'm Mr. Blossom from the poor, but you make your life better.
Alright, cool. Hopefully you got that. Otherwise, remember you can always rewind and practice it over again. Alright, so from there, after we've done scratchy swing, we're gonna turn and do willy bounce. So with willy bounce, have your knees bent and your arms are gonna go up and pull. Yeah? So it's a swing, pull. Then the other way, swing, pull. And we're gonna do that 4 times on each side. So we go 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. And then we're gonna change it and do wacky dip 2 times. So with wacky dip, you're gonna pull 1 and 2. And then the third one, from here, you're gonna dip and make sure you bring your knees down, knees in, to go dip. So you go 1, 2, and dip. Good, again. 1, 2, and dip. 1, 2, dip. dip. Alright, let's try willy bounce and wacky dip together. 5, 6, 7, 8. To go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wacky dip. And 1, 2, and dip. 1, 2, and dip. And that's the whole dance. You've learned 5 dancehall steps right there. Let's go from the very top. Yeah? 5, 6, 7, 8. To go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To go. Bubble. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stretch and swing. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Willy bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And dip. And 1, 2, dip. 1, 2, dip. All right. Cool. Let's try all of that with music.
Ooh, yeah, something good for you. Babylon days are numbered. I see them fall and stumble. Heard them ball and blunder. So easily they going down. Babylon days are numbered. I see them fall and stumble. Heard them ball and blunder. So easily they going down.
Welcome to the street of the tough life. As a warrior, me grew up with a rough life. When we touch the corner, we no run karma. Real gangster, no love spotlight. When me step to the food, no doubt about it. At fire start better, them can't come out it. Anything in me where they better move. Cause if you make a move to me food, you get the whole thing. I miss the blessing for the poor, make your life better. Money for the poor, me sign for the weather. Blessing for the poor, make your life better. Better.
If Babylon across it, well the wrong set of youth them go fast with.
Whew, awesome. We hope you managed to catch all those steps. Make sure to catch our other instructional videos in the next few weeks and share your videos with us. We'd like to see how you've been going with these routines. See you next time.